This music must work out for me. There's nothing next. Always motivate yourself. Try to bring my heritage into my music. I will give a big shout out to Danny Priest. The tables, we use it for drum.
Life is like a jungle, we rabbit surviving. Sober we determined, ain't nobody coming. Ain't nobody knowing when the money coming. Sorta like I'm doing shit, you're coming for it.
Yo, what's up my people? I go by the name Klej, K to the L to the E to the J. Do music, Igbo rap in particular, Afrobeat, Afrofusion, Afro swing. Yeah, that's the move, bro. Who inspired me to do music? I've been doing music from back then in Nigeria, me and my cousins, we do sit at the table and we sing a lot. So back then we also created music. The tables, we use it for drum and we do like different type of shit. But when I really entered into music and who really inspired me to like go on this journey, I will give a big shout out to Danny Priest. He was like a big motivation back then when I started. He really pushed me, he drove me in the game. So I also had a big backing from my mom, from my dad, from my siblings. So I would say they were like my biggest inspiration. My mom, my dad, Danny Priest, my siblings, very big inspiration in the music. And always motivate yourself. So I was also a big inspiration to myself. How would I describe the music that I create? Magic in it. So the music I create, it's magic. I think it's something different. It's not every day that we see a making boy doing Igbo rap. So I try to bring my heritage, where I come from, into my music. So most of my rap takes are mixed with Pidgin and Igbo. So that really like makes me me. I think my authentic self is a mix of Igbo and a mix of Pidgin with English to like get me completely. So I bring all that into my music and I try to like live the real life, no faking it. Everything I say in my lyrics is 100% me. That's how it goes. That's how my team flows, so very big on authenticity. Which big artists do I admire? I admire a lot of artists. I'm a big fan of good music. I'm a big fan of good lyrics. So I personally, I pay a lot of attention to lyrics. So I would say people like Jerry, Fino, Aguero Banks, they're like people I look up to in the game. They're like people that if I listen to their lyrics, I'm inspired. But I also have a good ear for good vibes. So people like Davido, Odumodu Black, um, they are also a very big inspiration to me. So I like their style of music, that type of no nonsense vibe from Odumodu Black. That's also a big, I am a very big Odumodu Black fan. Everyone knows. And shout out to the hood. Igbo rap is like my biz. So every Igbo rapper out there, I admire each and every Igbo rapper out there. I also admire a lot of upcoming artists here in Europe. Clef, Danny Priest. I can name so many. Two Tigers, Don VS. Very big inspiration to me too. I won't label it like I admire one person, but I'm a big fan of good music, so I admire a lot. So what's my creative process like? My creative process is mad. I see music like a full-time job. I know many people that do it like a hobby, but I personally, I see it like a 9 to 5. Somewhere like you invest your time in. So in my creative process, I go to the studio or I get like beats from my producer. I listen to the beats he sends to me and I pick like my beat, and then I play it for my boys. I play it at home. I ask people their opinion about the beat. So the music starts from the beat. So if the beat is great, the lyrics comes like automatically. So what's my writing process like? I'm not the type that just wakes up and starts writing a new song. I mostly play my beats with my boys, like other artists. We freestyle a lot, and then I pick like my best creative ideas during the freestyle, and then I take it into my music. And then most of the time I write mostly at night. So because at night I feel like I'm the most creative. So afterwards I write my lyrics and I go to the studio. I record with ease. So I don't rush to record. I just have a take, a second take, a third take, and then at the end, I like send all the vocals to my producer. And what's my dropping process like? I drop firstly like when I see there's more engagement on my socials, I drop then. And secondly, I feel like a good project, as to drop a good project, you need to have the right promo. So I do the right promo before I even plan of dropping any new song. But stay tuned, new music coming soon. Who would I love to collaborate with? So I'm a very creative person, so I feel like I would love to collaborate with a lot of big names, a lot of small names, upcomings. So I personally, my best collaborations to date are the ones that I had with my big bro John Smith, and the ones that I did with Danny Priest. But I also look forward to a lot of new features. So I'm thinking of Clef, maybe one day in the future, Jerick, Aguero Banks, Fino. I would also be honored if that music grants me a future. So I'm not gonna say I'm looking to work with one person or the other more than I look at working with the next person. I just want to drop my music, work on myself, and drop the best music for my fans out there. So what's next? What's next? When we're in the music, I always say it, there's no plan B. Plan A must work. So this music must work out for me. There's nothing next. I can only say the name of the game is consistency. So just keep working hard, dropping more music, more new music, something that all of you will love to hear. The new sounds, I can guarantee 100% very, very good sounds. Something coming out very soon. Stay tuned. What is one message I would give to my fans? Man, firstly, I would appreciate everyone out there listening to my music, streaming. You guys are the ones that like make it possible for me to enter the studio every day to really make new sounds. I would just say stay true to yourself, be authentic, stay motivated, do what makes you happy, and really push for the stars because that's like the only thing that you can really push for. Try and make money and keep on listening to my music. Yeah, keep on listening to my music. I really appreciate you guys.
Welcome to the card segment. You're gonna be picking two cards out of the five cards given to you.
Sharp card segment. Card one. If you met your hero, what question would you ask? My dad's my hero. My dad, I don't have like any particular question I'm gonna be asking right now. I'll just ask him, are you proud of me? Like maybe the validation will like matter if he's proud of me. That's gonna be crazy. Second card. How do you best receive criticism? Very, very, very good question. Criticism. You know, this word criticism, many people criticize your work as an artist. I have a very attentive ear when it comes to critics. I want to hear what people have to say because I believe in every criticism, there's a way to improve. Best way to receive criticism, stay silent, hear what the person has to say. Chip in your idea if it's needed, or if it's not needed, you just take it. As my dad always said, take the one that you know will work for you and then you leave the rest. Who would I love to nominate next? Match it. So this is a person I've known for a lot of years. He has dropped a lot of body of work. Recently dropped Aye, dropped Reminisce the EP last year. He has been making waves all of Germany. I want to see Danny Priest on this show. I'm very, very sure 100% he will have a story to tell. I love to come back. Man, my guy. Sure, I will come back now, but not anytime soon, but soonest. When the music done, they go that place, and I'll come back. That time we'll be talking success story now. No more that I mean, you know what I mean. So I'm out. Pledge. Stay tuned for new music. Thanks, Coolie Shots.